Steinjager license plate relocation bracket is actually pretty easy to install and will work with both a roller fairlead or a Haas fairlead. So to start, we're just going to loosen the fairlead bolts. There's no need to take it all the way off because we just need enough room to slide the relocation bracket behind it. So just unscrew them a little bit, slide the fairlead out a 1/4 inch or more, and then slide the bracket into place. Next, you're going to tighten the fairlead bolts back down. And then install the plate using the supplied thumb screws. For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.